What's up, Jackson, Mississippi? This is DJ D-Lo Degrees, man. We doing out here doing the Cypher Challenge, man. Shout out to my boy Bruce Polite that put this thing together, man. We trying to do some positive vibe, man. We trying to find out options of way that we can keep this positive vibe going and stop the violence in Jackson, Mississippi. You know, it's not only just violence going on, man. We doing positive things, so we trying to find some solutions that we can get this thing and create some opportunities and give back to the community, man. So that's what I'm trying to do, man. So my solution is to give to the positive on the positive vibe, man. Is we can create opportunities, start being boss, and what I mean by that, stop following and start being leaders.
Let's get it. It's a beat, nigga. I told him. Pistol Pete, nigga. I told him. Listen. Pistol P is a life. The way that I live life. Even though I gotta sacrifice, shaking on these nights, gotta keep my head up. Cause the way things is going, these niggas, now they no longer know when I'm a ball out this way down. What they gotta do, keep my head up in this game, trying to make this game through. Who is you? And even though I gotta stay in school, gotta keep my head up, and I never been no fool. Pistol P, that's my life, killing back up in this game. To the way things is going right now, I bring pain.
Alright, fresh out, Casa World. Know what it is with me. Tell me the price of the fame. One of these lanes that said they sold for a whip in the chain. And some chick that's screaming his name. Quit playing them games. Boy, you just stuck in the matrix. Face it, base it, you suckers. This puppet on screen is the stages while I'm smoking and drinking. Thinking how did I can come up without selling out a suspicion of Freemason, Illuminati. My ass don't love my niggas that much to make them get their life up. I'd rather be stuck in that rut or just clutching the bus. We can traffic some stuff. I ain't choose this life, but said no for what? Cause being real is all I know, so I don't deal with the ifs, ands, buts. I bank a buster up behind mine. Yeah, I'm angry at all times, behind enemy lines. Trying to buy Laura London and give her the whole nine. Trying to feature Nicki Minaj and beat it till I'm tired. I'm the ignorant, these words that be coming out my mouth, Negro, please. You ain't seen the half that I will do to y'all. I had a mental block to talk to Mark, so I won't shoot at y'all. So you can keep the comments and your thoughts to your fucking self. My heart is on the F shelf. Your pussy niggas don't fucking thread it.
Hey, this your boy Bugatti, 601 Tougaloo, TMG Projects. I've been doing this shit so long, y'all don't know the option. Change the game, rename the shit to whatever you call it. Hey, we trying to send a positive message. I've been on this shit so long, nigga, it's got me stressing. I'm here right now, I'm drunk, I'm going up off that 1800. These niggas talking about they fear and shit, the negativity got me going up in the head, nigga, I'm insane. Understand this shit, blood beat through my veins. Yeah, couldn't even get my words out. Yeah, but intelligent, got the knowledge. Y'all gonna have to wreck the shit the best of it. I put the rest to it. Hold up, I'ma let this beat ride so I can catch up with it.
The man with 1,000 trays already. Yeah, I'ma blow this money like it ain't funny, cause I know it's coming back, cut a trap jumping. Yeah, these speakers pumping, stay heavy hunting. I keep the ears thumping, and the hearts pumping. You try to take something, I'ma start dumping. Chopper still ringing, brother still running. D-Lo gunning like I'm hunting for rabbit. If I shoot you 100, we gon' ahead grab it. Nothing like the average, see I don't smoke babbage. All I blow is money, and I'm still grabbing it. Having it, yeah, I be ballin'. Yeah, I love trapping, and I'm a trapping at it.
Yo, what's up? It's your girl Japanese Barbie. I need all artists, I'm talking about all, to come to the Cypher Challenge every other Sunday at 2:30 on the Concrete Slab.